Hey guys, let's check out how to create normal as well as auto caption in Filmora 13. First of all, bring the audio file to the timeline and add a quick text. Now, cut and delete the unwanted parts of the text in accordance with your audio file. Then, you can change the content of the texts. Now, you can make necessary changes and also change the font and the size of the texts. Then, double-click on the text, go to Animations, and you can set an animation at the beginning of every text. First of all, bring the audio file to the timeline. Now, select Speech to Text and click on Add Automatic Active Words. Now, double-click on the generated title and choose your favorite style. That's it, your captions are ready to export.